The Graco Project Series sprayers make it easy for avid DIY homeowners and handymen to power through small to mid-size jobs with speed and finesse. DIY homeowners and handymen are equipped to save time and money with the Magnum X7. Tackle any indoor project, exterior homes, fences, or decks. Includes SG2 Metal Spray Gun, RAC IV 515 SwitchTip, 25 feet. Durable paint hose, pump armor storage fluid, power flush adapter, quick startup guide, and operation manual. Inlet paint strainer 35 mesh stainless steel screen. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Control paint flow. Fully adjustable pressure to give you ultimate control of paint flow for any project size. RAC IV SwitchTip allows you to reverse the tip when clogged to keep you spraying. Number 2. Spray paint UNTHINNED. Stainless steel piston pump allows you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. Number 3. Spray directly from paint bucket. Flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket. Number 4. Spray more projects each year. Annual use recommendation is up to 125 gallons per year. Number 5. Fast and easy cleanup. Power flush adapter connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning. Number 6. Ideal for multi-story homes. This can support up to 100 feet of paint hose, allowing you to spray second and third story homes. Number 7. Continuous spraying. RAC IV SwitchTip allows you to reverse the tip when clogged to keep you spraying. Voltage, 110 volts. Number 8. Convenient cart. Easily move sprayer around on the job. Number 9. True airless spray tip with soft spray technology, greater control and less overspray with a wide range of coatings. Number 10. Easily bring new life to your deck. Simply applying a new coat of finish to your deck can make all the difference in the appearance of your entire home. And using a Graco sprayer makes it easier and faster. Number 11. Quickly paint your house faster and easier with a quality finish. Update the look of your house with a fresh coat of paint. Graco sprayers are easy to use and you'll finish in a fraction of the time it takes to paint with a traditional roller or brush. Number 12. Paint your fence in a breeze. Staining or painting your fence will help preserve and protect it from the sun and weather while improving your home's overall curb appeal. Number 13. Give new life to tired-looking cabinets. Painting or staining your cabinets can completely transform the look of your kitchen or bathroom. Using a Magnum paint sprayer will provide the fastest way to achieve a perfect finish. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.